Hello grade 4, and how are you doing? This is Miss Susan. Today we will solve together chapter 13 checkpoint. And the first thing to start with is the vocabulary box. So let's read together the words inside the vocabulary box and see its definition. The first word here is area. Area is the space inside any shape. Base. Base is one of the shape dimensions. We can consider any of the shape dimension as a base. Formula. Formula is a mathematical or standardized mathematical rule, and it expresses mathematical equation. Parameter. Parameter is the length or the distance around any shape. Square unit. Square unit is the square which is its side's length is equal 1 unit. The first here is a square that is 1 unit wide and 1 unit long. So what is the square that its length or the length of its sides is 1 unit? It's called square unit. The second word, the length of two-dimensional figure can be any side. So any side of the figure, and we said figure means shape, it can be any side of the figure shape, is area, area space inside the shape. Is it base? I guess so. So the base can be any of the two-dimension shape sides. So if I have any shape with 2 dimensions, I can choose any of its sides to be the base. The third one, a set of symbols that expresses a mathematical rule is called, we said a mathematical rule or standardized rule is called formula. Number 4, the blank is the distance around the shape. So walking around the shape and measure its distance, it's called area or parameter. We already used base, formula, square unit, so we still have area and parameter. We said area is the space inside the shape. However, the parameter is the distance around the shape, so it is the parameter. Right. Number 4, the perimeter is the distance around a shape. Let's move to the next question. Find the perimeter and area of rectangle or square. So we have to know the formula. What is the formula of the area? First here, write the formula of the area. A equal B times H. Now, what is the formula of the perimeter? Perimeter is equal 2 times B plus 2 times H. So we add all the dimensions together. We have 2 bases and we have 2 heights. So add them together. Add the 2 bases plus the 2 heights to find the overall distance around the shape. So first, let's apply it here, or let's fill the formula. For this shape, what is the area here? A is equal B times H. The B is 13 times H is also 13. So 13 times 13 will be 196 if you add them together, if you multiply them together, sorry. Okay, apply the formula of perimeter. B is equal 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13. So we have here 4 equal sides. So instead of adding 13 4 times, we multiply 4 times 13. So 4 times 13 will be 52. 2. Oh, we forgot the units here. The unit here will be in centimeter, and the unit here will be square. Is it square unit or square centimeter? Square centimeter. Okay, let's move to the next question. Number 6. What is the area here? Use the formula again. The formula tells me area is equal B times H. B is the base. What is the base here? It's 21 times the height. What is the height? It's 3. So let's multiply. 3 times 1 will be 3. 3 times 2 will be 6. So the answer will be 63. And the unit here, we measure the area by square unit. What is the unit here? It's feet. So it will be square feet. Now let's find the perimeter. We have two sides with 21 feet. So we multiply 2 times 21. Plus, we have two sides with 3 feet. So 2 times 3. So the answer will be 42 here plus 6. So it will be 48. And the unit will be in feet because the perimeter, we add all the sides and all the sides together, we add them, they are all in feet. So it will be 48 feet. Let's see the third square or the third rectangle, sorry. Okay, the area again is to multiply the two dimensions together. 8 times 15. 8 times 15 equal 120. And what is the unit? It is in square. Square what? What is the unit here? Inches. So it will be square inches. Let's see the perimeter. The perimeter is adding all the dimensions together. So we have two sides are 8. So 2 times 8. And we have plus two sides are 15. 2 times 15. So 2 sides are 15. So 15 plus 15 will be 30. And two sides are 8. So 8 plus 8 will be 16. So it will be 46. 46. And the unit here all in inches. So the area, we measure it by square inch. The perimeter, we measure it by only inches. Here, who wants me to find the area? So find the area of combined rectangles. So in this case, I need to divide these shapes into rectangles to apply the formula and find its combined area. So first, I have here two rectangles. Let's cut this into this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. 3 rectangles. Let's cut this into 2 rectangles. Okay. So first, let's cut this into 2 rectangles. Okay. First, what is the formula again? The formula of the area is equal B times H. Let's put it here in the middle so we can all see it. This is area number 1. Let's find the area. So A1 equal B times H. What is the B here? It's 18. What is the H? The height is 10. So it is 18 times 10 equal, put the 0 and multiply 18 times 1 will be 18. So it will be 18 and put the 0, and the unit here is square yard. Let's find area number 2. Area number 2. What is the base? It's 2. What is the height? It's 5 yard. So 2 times 5 will equal 10. And the unit is all in squares, square yard. So what is the whole area? The whole area is equal 180 all together, plus 10 will give me 190 square yard. So this is area number 1. And area number 1, and this also is area number 1, it's similar, and this is area number 2, because this one and this one are alike. So first, find area number 1 is equal B times H. What is the B? The base on the floor. It is 2 times, what is the height? The height is 5, right? So 2 times 5 is equal 10. And the unit is in square, and the unit here is meter, not a square unit, it will be square meter. Area 2. And don't forget, we have area 1 here and area 1 here, so I have 2 tenths. Area 2, the base here is 4. And the height, what about the height? Is it written? It's not written, but what's written is the small height here is 3. So if this is 3 and the whole distance here, the whole height is 5, so the small distance here will be 2. 2, because I minus 3 from 5 to give me the small height here. So the small height here is 2, because 2 plus 3 will give me the whole height, which is 5. So the small height will be 2, equal. So 4 times 2 is 8, and the unit is all in square, and the unit here is meter. So let's add all to find the whole area. So we have 10 here plus 10 here, because we have area 1 to area 1, plus 8, the area here, the small area, so it's all equal 28 square meter. Okay, let's move to the third one. Okay, so find area 1, and again the formula is area is equal B times H. So the B here, the base is 10, the whole base, it's not 8. 10 times 8 equal 80 square, and the unit here is feet, so it is square feet. Area 2 is equal, what is the base? The base down on the floor is 2 times, what is the height? The height is 6, so 2 times 6 is equal 12, and the unit of areas is all in square, and the unit here is feet. So let's add the two areas together to find the overall area. So 80 plus 12 will equal 92. 92 square feet.